as in she was angry with somebody that already left this world. Like, my God.
Make it till morning.
When I go? The Farad. Choose, Leute. After shopping, you push it a little bit, okay? Eh? And you push it. It's sunny now. The weather is good. There is no need of coming back immediately. Okay. Go choose. Yeah, the daddy will take you people to the playground so that you people will stay a little bit more. Choose, everyone. Bye. See you guys later. Yeah. Go now. Follow your daddy. Bye. Yeah. Oh my God. Amarachi was asking me, like, why should they stay after shopping? My God, since morning, like my head is doing wing, 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 with the noise is too much. Guys, how are you guys coping with this holiday? It's not gonna be easy. They just started. This is the first week. And yeah, but we move. Yeah. At least I can breathe a little bit now. So guys, I'll be cooking yam porridge. I think in my last video I told you guys that I'll be harvesting or cutting off some of the grain there because they are too much, there are many, so it's better that we use it now that it's fresh. Okay, this is all the things that I'll be using for this yam porridge. So here I have red oil, here is salt, the yam itself, I have onions here, and I have smoked mackerel, yeah, and then I have crayfish roughly blended. And here is a tomato. Like I have ginger, I have garlic, I have tomatoes, I have bell pepper, I have everything inside here. I supposed to like use a fresh one, like the one to cut it because I'm cooking the porridge yam. But this is the one that I used yesterday that I left for the jollof rice. But I did not cook this one. I have not fried this one, So I'm going to be using it to cook this porridge yam. Yeah. So I have put in my pot on. It's left for me to start cooking it. At the same time, I'm watching Ogum series. Guys, this lady is vibe. Like seriously, I don't even know how she does it. She supports everyone and she's living in Nigeria. Like she's really trying. If you are watching Ogum series, please don't skip her ad. Like she deserves it. Like sometimes I just go to her playlist and put it in one of my phone, let it play, let all the ads play. At the end of the day, when I come back, the playlist is already finished. So this is how I can support her because she's really trying. Like she's really trying to support everyone despite that she's living in Nigeria. So if you are living in Obodo, please go ahead and support her, and her content is amazing. Let's get back to our porridge now. I'm going to start now. Stay tuned and enjoy the vlog, guys. The weather is already warm with cooking in the kitchen in this hot afternoon. So since my yam is boiling, it's getting ready, so I'm going to use this opportunity to go outside and cut some veggies like some green that I'll be using for this porridge yam. So come along with me, guys. This is the green I'll be cutting. As you can see, it has started bringing all this seed. I don't know. So I'm going to cut it off so that it can germinate again from here. So from here I'm going to cut this one off.
Mom, can you use it to cook?
I'm cooking porridge yam already. No?
Porridge yam.
So if you cut it, there's a possibility that it's going to germinate again.
So it's going to grow again.
Yeah. Right now I'm going to be putting it because it's the last thing I will put in this yam because the yam is already done. As you can see, can you beat that? How fresh this is! Oh my god! I will cover it and leave it to boil like some minutes. Then I will now turn it. Then that is it. Okay. So guys, our porridge yam is ready. You will definitely see the difference between this green and spinach. Like there's a big difference. I can't remember the last time I tested this green in porridge yam. Like seriously, this is so yummy. This is yum, like honestly. The taste of this porridge yam is exactly that of Nigeria porridge yam. It really tastes so good, so nice. Oh. So that is it guys, our porridge yam is ready. Hello amazing people, welcome back to my vlog. Like guys, after I'm done cooking the porridge yam, so I went straight to get my shower, and after then I said let me just rest, like even if it's 30 minutes. I just woke up and yeah, I had a visitor because one of my friends, she called me that she'll be visiting today, and yeah, she came, we ate and we chat and all that. So I just saw her off now. Yeah, I'm just coming back. When I was preparing my party, so I expected her to call me to ask me like how things are going and all that, but I did not hear from her. So at the end of the day, I have to call her. Like I called her like several times in almost 2 days, and I did not hear from her. Even in the party, I did not see her. So I was kind of worried. I have to call someone that knows her, and the person said that since 1 week that she have not even heard from her. So I was kind of worried, I was concerned and all that. But thank God that 3 days after that party, she called me. She said that she had an appointment today in my city, that she'll be coming around. Okay, my God, see noise outside. Guys, please pardon me, I'm outside. So she just came, we ate, we chat and all that. When she was here, she told me that why she refused to pick my call within that time was because she was admitted in the hospital. Oh my God, I was shocked. I told her like, why do you refuse? Even if you're in the hospital, you're supposed to pick my call to tell me like what is going on. And she told me that she knew that I was kind of under stress. If you have been following me recently, I told you guys that I was kind of under stress because almost all my kids were sick, and then this is the period we were preparing for this party as well. So, and she said she knew that I was kind of under stress. That's why she refused to pick my call, because she don't want to give me more stress, because she knew that I will be running from here in order to come and see her in the hospital. So I was kind of shocked, guys. Before she called me, I was kind of like, I was so worried, honestly. But when she called me that she'll be coming around, my mind calmed down and all that. So why am I saying this? I don't know who you are. You are watching me right now. Maybe you are angry about someone. Maybe you have been calling that person, or maybe you are sick or something happened to you and you are expecting your friends to show concern, but you are not foreseeing it. Okay, I want to encourage you that you should not be angry. You should not be angry with them. You should be considerate, because you don't know what those people are going through. Like seriously, you don't know what those people are going through. Like most of the times, when things are happening, I normally put myself in people's shoe, because I want to feel the way they are feeling. In Igbo land, there is this adage they normally say. They say whatever marebeki. Like in this abroad, everyone, you can't tell me that you are free from stress. It's not possible. Even if you have kids, even if you don't have kids, even only the bills definitely going to give you stress. So most of the time you have to be considerate how we judge people. Maybe you might expecting favor from someone and you are not foreseeing it. Don't blame the person because you don't know the person you are expecting favor from. You don't know what that person is even going through. Maybe the person's problem might even more than yours that needs help. I watched one of my friend's video last year, Sandy Joyful Space, where she talked about her friend. She's the center of that friendship. Like if she did not call her friend, like she's not gonna call her. At the end of the day, she stopped. Okay, she said enough is enough. But winning this time she stopped calling her friend. That is the time this her friend passed on. Okay, and at the end of the day she was kind of, I think after 1 year, according to her, I'll definitely link that video in my description so that you guys can go ahead and watch that video, because I can't really remember everything because that was last year. So what I got there was like the period that she stopped calling this her friend was the time her friend passed on. So after 1 year, she went to her friend's Facebook, and she realized that people were, writing like rest in peace, rest in peace. She was kind of worried, and then she contacted somebody that knows that her friend. So the person told her, yeah, she passed on so time, and this is the time. Sandy was kind of angry that she's one that always calling. Why can't her friend call like once? So she blamed herself and all that. Like that video was so emotional. She was kind of feeling like, I'm only one that are calling, why can't she call? And she didn't know the person she was thinking about all this have already passed on. As in, she was angry with somebody that already left this world. Like, my God. When I was watching her, I was shedding tears. So this happens to a lot of us. Like that sometimes you'll be angry with someone. Maybe you are sick, you expect your friend to call, the person did not call. Do you know what she or he is going through? Can you just call, find out? It might take 1 month, 2 months, but first of all, find out what is going on in that person that you are angry with. You might even be surprised that what the person is going through is more than the one you are going through. So being here in abroad, living in here in abroad, and you are blaming someone for something, the person does not care, the person does not show concern, you really need to be considerate. Because if someone that you call your friend and you know that this person did not do anything bad to you, and at the end of the day this person suddenly stop calling you, can you find out what is wrong before you start gossiping like, this my friend, she stopped calling me, she's feeling too big, she's feeling that. Since you said that this person is your friend, can you first call the person, find out what this person is going through before you start complaining, before you start being angry with the person? Like seriously, a lot of people are going through a lot in this world. That's why when I see people judging, when I see people castigating, when I see people, talking about somebody, I would just feel like, I say, do you people know what this particular person is going through right now? You are here judging the person. Through what you said might even provoke or even make the person to do what he or she doesn't want to do. That's why we need to be considerate. Then think about other people, like put yourself in other people's shoes and feel the situation by yourself. So I just want to put this out there that you should be considerate, that you should not be selfish. Like when whatever you're expecting from people to do for you, like you need to calm down. You need to find out what is going on in this person's life before you start complaining, before you start spreading the news that this person is feeling too big, this person doesn't show concern, this person is not caring, and all that. Okay, thank you so much if you are watching up to this moment. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye for now, guys. Bye.